1. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Second. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer: C.V. Raman. Third. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Medicine. Answer: Dr. Hargobind Khurana. Fourth. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Economics. Answer: Amartya Sen. Which is the most populous city in the world? Answer: Tokyo. 6. First Sikh Prime Minister of India. Answer: Dr. Manmohan Singh. 7. First Indian woman to get Nobel Prize. Answer: Mother Teresa. 8. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer: Australia. 9. World's largest delta. Answer: Delta of Sundarbans. First woman to receive Bharat Ratna. Indira Gandhi. 11. Where is the Railway Staff College located? Answer: Vidodara. 12. Who was the first lady doctor? Answer: Kadambini Ganguly. Where solar energy production is highest in India? Answer: Rajasthan. Which is the most productive state of wind energy in India? Answer: Tamil Nadu. 15. How much of total energy installed capacity in India is derived from wind energy? Answer: 6%. 16. When did the development of wind energy in India started? Answer: 1990. 17. When was the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board established in India? Answer: on 15 November 1983. 18. Where is the headquarters of Atomic Energy Regulatory Board? Answer: Mumbai. 19. Who was the father of Indian cinema? Answer: Dada Saheb Phalke. Who was the British Governor General to introduce dock system in India? Lord Dalhousie. 21. In which state is Jawahar Tunnel India's largest tunnel? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. 22. Who was the third president of India who died during his tenure? Answer: Dr. Zakir Hussain. 23. When did the national flag rule of India came into force? Answer: 2002. 24. Which river is called Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of South India? Answer: Godavari. 25. Which is the largest soybean producing state of India? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. 26. Which city is called Boston of India? Answer: Ahmedabad. 27. The Tropic of Cancer passed through how many states of India? Answer: 8. 28. In which state of India the number of men is less than women? Answer: Kerala. 29. Bahakar Dam, the highest dam in India, is built on which river? Answer: Sutlej River. 30. Where is India's first iron steel company located? Answer: Jamshedpur. Which state of India is called Sugar Bowl? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. 32. How many national highways are there in India? Answer: 228. 33. Which country is the largest producer of tin? Answer: China. 34. The river valley which is called as Ruhr of India? Answer: Damodar Valley. 35. Which state in India is known as India's food repository? Answer: Punjab. Where is the Shanti Valley located? Answer: Kerala. 37. Where is Madurai Answer Tamil Nadu. 38. Where is the headquarters of Botanical Survey of India located? Answer Lucknow. 39. Where is the most important source of energy in India? Answer coal. 40. National Science Day is celebrated on? Answer 28 February. 41. What is the length of India's coastline? Answer 6,100 km. 42. What is the number of states along the coastline in India? Answer 9. 43. What is the southernmost tip of maintained India? Answer Cape Comorin. Which is the southernmost point of India? Answer Indira Point. 45. Which line serves to determine the border between India and China? Answer McMahon Line. 46. The line dividing India and Pakistan is called? Answer Radcliffe Line. 47. India has the longest terrestrial border with which country? Answer Bangladesh. 48. When did the first electric train run in India? Answer 1925 AD. 49. By what name is eastern seaboard of India known? Answer Coromandel Coast. 50. In which hemisphere in India located? Answer North and East.